Hello and welcome to another video update about silver. And the silver chart has reacted to the blue target zone we talked about in the last few videos. So that's a good reaction. Yeah, I think I made the last video Monday or so. And we've seen a reaction exactly here to this level or zone. There was a zone, a larger support zone, Fibonacci retracements, and more specifically a Fibonacci extension zone we wanted the price to react to. And then we defined together a resistance zone, micro resistance, to which the price reacted initially on Monday, and then started another bounce on Wednesday, and now we are attacking that that $31.12 level. We're now basically exactly at the 50% retracement. Now, why is that level important? Because any break above will make one more low less likely. And the question that we just generally the question is whether we get another low or not in this wave 4, or if we've already bottomed in a B wave or even in a wave 4. Now, I'm starting to lean towards we've bottomed there, but we haven't really broken above resistance. And it will really depend on the next pullback. So once we have a local top, we can observe support, because there will be Fibonacci support we can watch. That could be for a potential wave 2 after, a wave B or even the wave 4. I mean, I've got this wave 4 just here to highlight. We could get one more low. If we get one more low, it is a wave 4. Maybe the wave 4 already bottomed here. I mean, this is just a question mark. The question is not so much if it's a wave 4 or a B wave here on this time frame. The question is more, do we actually have a low? And a local low, yes, but is it a more substantial low that can take the price then towards the $35, maybe even $40 region eventually? And that will probably be defined, and we will probably learn about that in the next pullback. So this here looks like 3 waves up at the moment, but it could just be, a 3-wave move in wave 1 as part of a leading diagonal or so. But please note, at the moment, this is just an A, B, C structure to the upside. A wave, B wave, C wave. So I don't have any confirmation that a low has actually formed, a substantial low, yeah? But also a wave 1 can be an ABC structure if this entire move up is a diagonal. So we'll keep the focus on higher prices. The situation hasn't really changed. One more low would still be likely. If that happens, I think it could be a really interesting setup. If the next pullback is clearly corrective, it could be also a 1-2 setup, just less clear because wave 1 is only a 3-wave move. What I will do now, I will already add Fibonacci support, but please note that there is currently no evidence that this move up has actually formed a price top. So looking at the Fibonacci levels here, this seems to be wave 1 to the upside, and the wave 2 pullback should find support between $28.88 and $30.08. This would be standard Fibonacci support for a wave 2 correction, from where then a 3rd wave rally could start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll talk about what that is when we move further along. But it could be a wave 1, larger degree, right? But it's too early really to talk about that too much right now. The main question is really if we've bottomed, and the structure of the next pullback should give us more insights. That's basically the same for gold. Talked about that on the gold chart today. Structure is different between silver and gold. Structure is different. They can still move higher together, as I explained on the gold chart as well, with a 5-wave move up on both charts. No, it's not a 5-wave move up here, but gold has a 5-wave move up, and the silver chart could have also struck a more substantial low, but they are in different patterns, so don't think they necessarily follow exactly the same structure. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in updates about the Nasdaq, the S&P 500 on a daily basis, regular updates about stocks like Tesla or PayPal, then check out our stocks and S&P 500 membership. I have linked the membership to the in the comment section, and is also in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.